Well, the new curriculum called College Preparatory Mathematics, or CPM for short, is a curriculum that's based on exploration, collaborative group work, and having mixed space practice for the students.
I like that you're working with other students instead of relying on the teachers, and you can see what other people got and ask them and compare answers and stuff like that. I think that it definitely makes students feel more comfortable and they're better at what they do, so it's better for students.
I think it's great. As a math teacher, I want my students to be prepared for the real world, and so I see that more as being able to work in groups and understand things from a mathematical standpoint and solve problems as they come to them, where regular math curriculum, or not regular I guess, but old math curriculum was more designed for students to memorize steps and processes, and that's not really relevant in the real world. Students won't need to know how to do, solve a system of solve a system with 3 variable equations. They're not probably gonna have to do that. Though in the real world, they will have to be able to solve a problem with a mathematical standpoint and have a number sense and really understand how to work as a team to figure out a problem. And that's what CPM prepares them to do. So I prefer it because, to me, I see my students leaving class with those abilities, which is going to carry them much further in their mathematical journey and just in their journey beyond school.
When people don't know the answer and they raise their hand, the teacher really can't help you. You have to figure it out yourself. Sometimes your teammates just don't know, and it's annoying. I prefer the old one. I thought it was easier instead of working in groups, because sometimes groups don't work out and sometimes you need individual help.
I think that one thing that teachers and students struggle with right now is that change takes time. And for myself, while I struggle with it, I do remind myself that the change takes time, and it kind of gets me through that. I know that this change is for the better. Having taught in the traditional curriculum last year, all the resources that we had, we are able to use all of them this year. And then I just think about students who have gone through the education system having just been passive learners most of the time, and now being asked to produce daily and to show their knowledge daily. It's a challenge for them, and it might make them feel uncomfortable, but